In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to video loop in Luma AI. While Luma AI doesn't have a single loop video button yet, you can still create clean, endlessly repeating clips using smart prompting and a simple workflow. I'll walk you through it from start to finish so you can get smooth, satisfying loops without leaving Luma. First, open your browser and search for Luma AI, then click the official result that says Luma AI Agents for Creative Work. Once you're on the site, select Try Luma to open the app. This takes you into the workspace where you'll craft your prompt and generate the video. Inside the app, look for the prompt box. This is where the looping magic begins. Think about motions that naturally return to where they started. Rotations, pendulum swings, ocean waves, blinking signs, drifting clouds, or a character turning in a circle are all great choices because they can repeat without calling attention to the cut. In your prompt, be explicit about the loop. Include phrases such as seamless loop, repeating motion, continuous animation, infinite loop, or cyclic movement. These keywords help the model understand that the beginning and end should align. Add a bit of art direction to make the loop cleaner. If you want the camera to help the loop, specify a stationary camera or a smooth circular camera move that returns to the original angle. Keep the environment stable, consistent lighting, a steady background, and no sudden events that evolve over time. If you're describing a cycle, hint at the duration, like a full rotation that ends exactly where it started, so the system knows to close the loop. When your prompt looks good, click Submit to generate. Luma will process your request and return a preview. Play it through and focus on the moment where the video restarts. If it feels smooth, you've got your loop. If there's a visible jump, refine your wording and try again. Reassert those loop-friendly phrases, simplify any chaotic elements, and clarify that the motion returns to its starting position. Small tweaks often make a big difference. After you're satisfied, you can download your clip. If you want to polish the seam further in a video editor later, trimming a frame or two at the head or tail, or adding a tiny crossfade can make the transition invisible. But in many cases, a well-structured prompt in Luma is all you need for a clean, endlessly repeating loop. That's it, simple, clear, and effective looping inside Luma AI.